All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Chevy Camaro. It is the LT model. This beautiful black with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does have some scuffing here, about 3 to 4 inches. Boom. Your front hood looks okay. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Does seem to have a little chippy here. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Do I see some curbing? Yes, I do. about 6 inches right there. Check out your tire thread, which is, get my hand in there. Tire thread is. And over 7/32. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is, get into the groove here, is at 5/32. Nice shot of your roof of what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise on your on the passenger, no holes, no tears, no rips there. We jump into this vehicle, turn off for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with 2 key fob combo. It is a push start system. Got your AM, FM, CD player, all I said, all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 29,695. Looks good. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Has a little chippy here, about an inch. Seems to have like another chippy here, and like a light to heavy scratch there. Deck lid looks pretty good. Does have like a light scratch here, about 6 inches right there. That's about it. That's what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is no spare tire in this vehicle. I believe it's like some sort of run flat system. Not sure. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. I'm sorry, rear passenger rim. Curbing, yeah, some curbing here. I see about 6 inches there as well. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 5/32. This door has a little chippy there. Of course, those chips are just typical people opening doors. This is has a big door here. Your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Like I think on your rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. All right, fender looks good. Has a dent with paint off here, but less than an inch. And of course, here's your rear, the front passenger rim. Very nice. Does it have curbing? Has some curbing here. about 6 inches there. Get your tire thread. Oops. Try it again. The tire thread is over 7/32. Both fronts are over 7/32. Backs are at 5/32. Lights are working. Car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Chevy Camaro LT model with 29,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.